So, the story of the estate started about 2 centuries ago, when a very rich family from Genova, the Marquess Sauli, from which the name comes, used to build the property, and then there was a big marriage on the 18th century. Nobody knows that the wife was the richest or the husband, but at the end they built a beautiful villa they called La Marchesa with the vineyard planted all together, so give us the possibility to do the harvest and the pressure within half an hour, so we can avoid sulfites during the harvest. Low sulfites mean that the perfume are fresh and clean. When you turn the wine on the glass, we have a very elegant and fruity perfume, and then when you drink, we have a very nice dry body, and at the end, no headache at all, which is extremely important. So you can drink half a bottle without any problem.